A medical expert has advised people to take cognizance of their health with all the seriousness it deserves. The head of Department Physiotherapy Federal Teaching Hospital, Lokoja, Joseph Alabi, on the occasion of the celebration of the 2024 World Physiotherapy Day, theme lower back pain, head at the hospital facility charged people to take care of their postures to tackle back pain. He called the attention of the general public to the menace of lower back pain, noting that it affects the lumbar region of the human spine. Our reporter has more details.
World Physiotherapy Day is marked annually on the 8th of September worldwide. It is a day set aside to celebrate physiotherapists who render services to improve human health. It is also said to commend their effort in the enhancement of mobility among the middle-aged and old-aged people. The Chief Medical Director, Dr. Afolabi, flagged off the free consultation and exercise sessions for patients organized by the Physiotherapy Department of the Federal Teaching Hospital, Lokoja, Kogi State. He urged people to take advantage of the free consultation and exercise as an opportunity to know their and get fit physically.
I'm flagging this one for the first time activity open in the physiotherapy department and in the hospital. Thank you very much.
Head of Physiotherapy Department Joseph Alabi provided insight into the possibilities and causes of low back pain, such as strains and sprains, spinal fractures, disc problem, and several others. While urging government to establish more physiotherapy centers, he called on people to visit for free consultation that was set up to combat the menace threatening the productivity of the people.
So, and what we have planned for this particular year is to do free consultation and free exercise session for because of the theme of this year, which is low back pain, which is one of the cardinal conditions that physiotherapy manage optimally. Back pain can be prevented by taking note of our posture, especially in sitting, standing, and at work. Because a lot of the times, when back pain incidences usually happen, it happens in awkward postures. And so we need to take care of our postures in sitting, and especially when sitting, sit upright. Because a lot of people have to find a comfortable position for sitting down, which is not always good. Then another thing about sitting is prolonged sitting is also not good for the back, because the way God has designed the body is to move. So once you stay in a place for a very long time, then you're going to begin to have some issues, and especially with the low back. So there are other preventive ways, like for work, you have to understand the good posture for bending to work, especially for sweeping, especially for our mothers, for sweeping and for cooking. So government needs to actually put in place, especially building more infrastructures where people can actually, especially in the primary healthcare centers, that people can get these services. And in fact, it's one of the focus for this year that exercises can be prescribed at the primary healthcare and the community care settings.
Chairman Kogi State Nigeria Union of Allied Health Professionals, Comrade Babatunde Samuel, expressed that the service of the physiotherapy are essential in the mobility of body so as to function better and avoid being impaired.
Physiotherapists are professionals that help us in the mobility of our body, in the muscles, the nerves, the bones. They help us rehabilitate them in a position that will make us function better. If these parts of the body are not functioning well, your mobility will be impaired. And when mobility is impaired, it will definitely reduce productivity. It can reduce productivity in your offices, in the environment. You can even be depressed because staying in the same place at all times, it will worsen the condition. BP can come in when you cannot move around. And of course, some people say in the other room. In the other room, if you have lower back pain, you cannot perform in the other room. So we can see several ways it can affect the society, productivity. So that is why we have come to identify with them today and to celebrate with physiotherapists that are celebrating this World Physiotherapy Day.
Evelyn Ariyo, a beneficiary of the free consultation, expressed her happiness with the way the physiotherapists are attending to her.
And I'm very happy as I hear that we should come tomorrow, they will attend to us as a free attendant to us. Thank them very well. They remember the masses, they remember the poor. For somebody to say we help somebody, it's not easy. So I'm very grateful. I pray may God bless them and may God give them mind to do more for us so that we can survive.
The event attracted practicing physiotherapists and other medical health workers. Benga Aliu, reporting for MLC TV. Happy World Physiotherapy Day!